Okay, welcome in. This is kind of a state of the shop right now. I have a lot of work to do to clean this place up and get it back into functional shape. I've had a lot of little projects that aren't video worthy that I would just come in here and knock out. And obviously, I have not cleaned up after myself. So, I'm going to start now. All right, let's wrap this cleanup video up. Full disclosure, I've already started working on other things, so filament spools work pretty decent for the, 20 foot or less extension cords. Nice sweep up job in here. Like I said, I've already started working on other things, so things have changed a little, maybe since you last seen them. But yeah, I got all of my kind of outdoor related DeWalt stuff moved down there. Ignore everything that's down here as my scrap wood and trash pile I need to take out. I did not sweep this up. Probably should have, but it's just going to get messy again. So I decided to leave that as messy. Yeah, so moving right along. Haven't seen this entire countertop cleaned in a long time. I made a cut on this yesterday for the DeWalt, which is coming along. I've got to do some research for the 3D printed mounts I'm going to make for these two guys to fit in that vacancy there. This is not a DeWalt, but it is similarly colored, so it's going to go near the DeWalt. Yeah, and I've got other little projects that I need to wrap up and finish, and basically this is one of them. So yeah, I think that just about covers it. That's a cleaned up shop, as clean as I'm going to get it anyway. Thanks for watching.